Up next, we have added fixture support for individual setups. And now we can apply that to all 2.5-axis operations setups. So in this particular example here, you'll see that we have fixtures, clamps on each side of the part. And we have assigned fixture definitions for all 4 of these clamps. And you can also assign a clearance now, distance to avoid defixtures. And if you look at this dialog down here, this is the setup dialog. If you double click on your setup, you'll see this tab up here, select fixtures for setup. So whatever fixtures you have defined under the fixture item in the machining job, it'll list those fixtures here, and you can assign whichever fixture you want to assign to whichever setup, okay? And it'll honor all of the operation types in that setup will honor the fixtures and the fixture clearance. But I want to go over here and show this part here real quick. In this particular part, we have fixtures defined, as we mentioned. You could do this previously, set your fixtures, but it applied to the entire machining job. Now, if you go into the setup, you can select the fixtures that you want to apply to only this setup. So in this particular setup 1, I only have 1 setup, but I'm applying all of my fixtures to this setup. And then also, now you can go in and set a fixture clearance distance. So your toolpath or your tool will stay away from your fixture by 2,000 or 20 or 200 thousandths, 0.2, okay? And let's just look at the toolpath real quick. So the toolpath avoids the fixtures, and not only in facing, but also in profiling. When it gets to the fixtures, it'll retract and go around the fixtures automatically. You don't have to do anything other than assigning the fixture and assigning a clearance to stay away from the fixture.